Right now, as you watch this video, an AI somewhere just wrote a novel, diagnosed a cancer patient, beat a world chess champion, and had 1,000 conversations, all at the exact same time. In the next 10 minutes, you will understand artificial intelligence better than 95% of people on this planet. No complicated jargon, no textbook definitions, just the real, simple truth. Explained the way it should have been explained from the beginning. And at the end of this video, I will share one fact about AI that will completely change how you see every single app on your phone. And once you see it, you will never unsee it. Let us break it down. Welcome to ByteBreak. Let us start with what AI actually is, because almost everyone gets this wrong. AI, or artificial intelligence, is not a robot. It is not Terminator. It is not magic. It is simply a pattern recognition machine. Think about how you learned to recognize a dog as a child. Nobody gave you a manual. Nobody listed the rules. You just saw hundreds of dogs, big ones, small ones, fluffy ones, and your brain learned the pattern. That is exactly what AI does. Except instead of taking years, it can look at millions of examples in hours. Show it a million pictures of cats. It learns what a cat looks like. Show it a million emails. It learns which ones are spam. Show it a million conversations. It learns how to talk like a human. That is it. That is the whole secret. The reason AI feels magical is not because it is intelligent. It is because it has seen more patterns than any human brain ever could. But here is where it gets really interesting and slightly terrifying. Because this pattern recognition ability, it is now doubling in power every single year. What took AI 10 years to learn in 2010 now takes 10 days. Let me show you exactly what that means for your life. You think AI is a future technology. It is not. You used it at least 20 times today already and did not even notice. When YouTube recommended this video, that was AI. When your phone recognized your face, that was AI. When Gmail sorted your spam, AI. When Google Maps found the fastest route, AI. When Spotify played that perfect song, AI. Now there are 3 levels of AI, and most people only know about one. The first is narrow AI. This is what exists today. It is incredibly good at one specific thing. Chess AI beats every human, but it cannot drive a car. Spam filters catch every bad email but cannot write poetry. The second is general AI. AI that can do anything a human can do. Think, reason, create, feel. We do not have this yet, but the world's smartest engineers are working on it right now. The third is super AI, an AI smarter than every human who has ever lived combined. This is theoretical, but here is the thing. Every expert agrees that if we ever build general AI, super AI follows within months, not years. Months. Chat, GPT read the entire internet. Every book, every article, every conversation, 570 gigabytes of human text. Then it learned one simple trick. Given any sentence, predict what word comes next. It practiced this billions of times, and somewhere in that process, it started to understand language. Not fake understanding, real understanding. It can reason, argue, write code, explain feelings. All from learning one thing: what word comes next. Remember that fact I promised you at the beginning? Here it is. Every single app on your phone, and I mean every single one, is already making decisions about you using AI, not helping you make decisions. Making decisions for you. YouTube decided you should watch this video before you even searched for it. Instagram decided which posts make you feel happy and which make you feel jealous, and it uses that to keep you scrolling longer. Your bank decided whether to give you a loan. Your insurance company decided your risk level. All AI, all invisible, all happening right now. You are not just using AI, AI is using you. And understanding that, really understanding it, is the difference between being controlled by technology and being empowered by it. That is why ByteBreak exists, so you always stay on the right side of that line. If this changed how you think about AI even slightly, there is a lot more coming. Next week on ByteBreak, we are going deep on ChatGPT versus Gemini versus Claude. 3A is one winner, and the answer might surprise you. Subscribe so you do not miss it, and drop a comment below. Tell me, did you realize I was already making decisions about you? I read every single comment. See you next time on ByteBreak.